Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import an image on Canva. Uploading an image on Canva is so easy. All you need to do is a few clicks. First method is to create a design. Then for example, select this presentation. And it will bring you to the working area where you can edit image, videos, and so much more. To upload image, go to the left sidebar and select Uploads. Now select Upload Files, and your computer files will pop up. Now look for the image or video that you are going to upload. Then select the image and click Open. In the left side part, you can see the ongoing upload. And it's done. You can already use your uploaded image. The other method to upload an image is to open an existing editing section and just repeat the process of uploading an image or videos. And that's it. If you find this video helpful to you, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.